Hello everyone, my name is Hani. I'm 8 years old. I'm in class E1L. Today I will do recording 3. Look, I got a certificate for good work at school. Well done, Rosie. Go and show your family. Where's Grandma? Is she in the kitchen? No, she isn't. Are Dad and Billy in the living room? No, they aren't. Surprise! Well done, Rosie. Thank you.